Have you ever seen thousands of geese die overnight, frozen in icy rivers? Experts are baffled by these massive discoveries in Michigan and Manitoba. We are witnessing a disturbing trend where entire flocks of Canada geese die suddenly. In southern Manitoba, experts found hundreds of carcasses frozen in waterways. In Michigan, a similar discovery along the Shiawassee River has led scientists to lean heavily toward avian influenza as the primary suspect behind these deaths. The mystery deepens because wildlife specialists are currently scratching their heads, unable to immediately pinpoint the exact cause despite extensive investigations. While freezing temperatures might preserve the bodies in waterways, it appears these birds did not freeze to death naturally but succumbed to a sudden fatal event. This situation highlights the fragility of migratory populations and the urgent need for rapid testing to confirm if a contagious virus is spreading. The sheer number of birds found frozen in Canadian rivers suggests a catastrophic failure for these wintering populations that requires immediate scientific attention. Fate of these geese depends on our ability to identify the pathogen quickly. What other wild animal mysteries should we investigate next? Let us know in the comments.